Hello, so today we're going to be talking about Google Voice, and we're going to be looking at how to make a call with Google Voice. But first of all, I want to make it easy for you to find Google Voice. So Google Voice is easy to get to by going to voice.google.com. But if you are familiar with tabs like this, you can add shortcuts. So if I just click on this shortcut here, I want to name this Google Voice, and then I want to type in the URL voice.google.com. Done. And voila. So we now have Google Voice there. Now when I click into this, this should take us now to Google Voice. There we are. So hello, that's me. Thank you. So in Google Voice, the best way for us to make a call is, as you can see, you've got your keypad down here. So I'm just going to press show my keypad just there. I can place a call just here by obviously typing in the numbers. I also have some suggestions here from my contacts list, but I'm just going to type in a call. So I'm going to use, let me have a look and see what I've got here. Let's use that one. So we're going to do 0800 079 8586. So that number will appear at the top here. Press on my call button, and away we go.
Welcome to EE, the UK's #1 network.
Fantastic.
If you're
So
calling
that's now
about
connected.
your mobile phone, press 1. If it's about your 4G Wi-Fi device or tablet...
And that's it. As simple as that, how to make a call with Google Voice.